let's quickly do a quick sneak peek into how the recruiters feels that your resume should look like. First, keep it to a page or two. While writing your resume, always remember the purpose of it. It's not to showcase everything that you have done, but rather to show that you have the background, skills, and experience for the job at hand. Second, avoid spelling or grammar errors. Read your resume thoroughly as many as times that you can. There are times the candidate writes a resume in past continuous and suddenly switch to past perfect. So those who are still scared of little grammar, it's high time that you learn them for your own benefit. Third, avoid the first person pronouns. As a general practice, don't use like I or me or my. So instead of using I have achieved and succeeded company's sales quota 100% this year,